Hi, welcome to this third lecture of Python tutorials. In the previous lecture, we have already seen that how a variable is created using an assignment statement in Python. In this lecture, we will see more about the assignment operator, that how can we give multiple assignments, how can we assign different variables at the same time by using multiple assignments, and also we will talk about the third data type of Python, that is a string. In the first lecture, we have talked about integer and float. Today we will see multiple assignments and a string. Now, if I have to give different variables the same number, the same value, then how can I create those variables? We do not need to give explicitly the data type. We know that only the assignment statement will do it. So how do we do it? We write A is equals to B is equals to C is equals to 10. As soon as I write this, A is equals to B is equals to C is equals to 10, what happens? All the three variables A, B and C are given a value 10. Now let's see this. When I write A, the value of A is 10. When I write B, the value is 10. When I write C, the value is 10. So this is called multiple assignment. In the same line, in the same statement, we can give the same value to different variables. Now suppose if we want to give different values to different variables at the same time, in the single statement we want to give different values, then how can we give it? This is also an example of multiple assignment. How do we do it? A comma B comma C is equals to 5 comma 3 comma 2. What will it do? It will assign different values to different variables relatively, respectively. A becomes 5, B becomes 3 and C becomes 2. Let us check this. A 5, B 3, C 2. Now let me clear this. Sometimes we also wish that different type of variables are created at the same single assignment statement, that is integer, float, string, all are created at the single assignment statement. So in Python this is also possible. For example, if I do A comma B comma C and I write that A is equals to 10, B is equals to 5.5, now B is a float and C again an integer 2. So this is also correct. To check, the value of A is 10, the value of B is 5.5 and the value of C is 2. So to summarize this, that whenever we have to create a variable in Python, explicitly it is not required to give integer, it is not required to give the data type. Instead of writing different assignment statements, we can give it by a single assignment statement also. Together with this, we can also give multiple variables of different data types in a single statement. Multiple variables of different types in a single statement. Moreover, if we want to have a variable of type string. Now see, a string is one of the data type in Python, as it was there in previous languages also. We talk about C, C++, Java, which most of people learn before learning Python. So a string is there in Python also, but with large number of advanced operations, easier operations and a more user friendly. So today we will see that how we will make a string in a Python. So just to have a picture for it, suppose I take a name of the variable n equals to, we do not need to give it explicitly string, single quotes and the name of the string. Now n is being assigned with a string. To make it show that whether it is of type string, just let us check by writing type n. So this is how a string is created, a string variable is created in Python. In further lecture we will explore more about a string, the different operations which can be performed on strings, and different ways to declare a string, and how we can do concatenation, how we can do slicing, how we can do listing of a string. So we will be seeing more of a string in further lecture.